Why my bad bitch?
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down.
Yeah, real bad bitch got her own money. She don't need no leg on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What's good, loves? This your girl Asia XO, and welcome back to my channel. I got another wig review, so let's go ahead and get into the details. I found this wig off of Cheetah Beauty. Inside the bag, it came with this cute purple bonnet, the edge brush, flyers, and your wig cap, including these cute pair of lashes and an elastic band. So the wig that I'm reviewing in this video is their Wear and Go Brown Loose Body Wave Pre-Bleached Glueless wig, and it comes with like this chestnut brown highlight, and it is a 3D dome cap type of unit. So here's the inside of the wig construction. You get your 7x5 closure, and it comes with 4 combs and an adjustable band. I got her in 24 inches, and she is 250% density. So now I'm just taking my lace tinting mousse in light brown, and I'm just going to pat this into the lace and wait until it air dries, and then I'm going to try on this wig and style the wig to my liking. So I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary after this segment, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it home. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Just throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and jumped. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, ain't pick what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Pat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm a crib. Long live nip, all I know is hustle. Ain't real street nigga, got this shit up off the muscle. All the jury on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a Braid, jumping out that motherfucker.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Put so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Put around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me prayer. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor.
So here's the finished look, and this is absolutely some fabulous hair. Starting from the highlights, girl, the wig came already pre-everything. So the knots were already bleached, pre-plucked. All I basically had to do was just style the wig to my liking, and they even curl the wig for you. So here's a 360. This is the back. The hair is super full. Love the density in the hair. Shipping and handling did not take long. I received my wig, I would say, within a week. I didn't have to use not a single thing of glue for this look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.
But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor.